Are you sitting up? Are you a big girl sitting up on the couch? Sophie, what's going on over there? Say hi, everybody. Oh, no, you're not on the tape. Now we're taping Daphne. Oh, look at her sitting up like a big girl. Nice hand. Oh, Sophie's looking at you now. Oh. You want to go sit next to Daphne? That's your hand. Yeah.
Yeah, boo-boo.
Yeah. Well, yeah, the boo-boo's on your hand. You want to sit down next to Daphne so I can get you in the shot? Soph? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Yeah, you big girl. Yeah, you big girl. I can't believe this.